or VSCodium, which is the better code editor in 2026. They look almost identical on the surface, but the real difference is what's happening behind the scenes. And that difference matters more than most developers realize. First, let's talk about Visual Studio Code. It's a Microsoft official editor, widely used across the world. It comes with a huge extension marketplace, built-in Git support, AI integrations, and seamless cloud features. It's powerful, polished, and deeply integrated into modern development workflows. Now let's look at VSCodium. It's basically the same VS Code base, but without Microsoft's branding, telemetry, and proprietary components. It focuses on privacy and open source purity while still supporting extensions and most VS Code features. Here's the key difference. VS Code focuses on convenience, ecosystem, and integration. VS Code focuses on privacy, transparency, and open source freedom. So which one is better? If you want the most polished experience with full eco support and AI tools, VS Code is the better choice. If you care about privacy, open source software, and removing telemetry, VS Codium is the stronger option. VS Code versus Codium. Now you know which editor fits your priorities in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more developer tool comparisons just like this.